Today I'm going to make lemon printed shirts. A very easy project, you can just do it at the kitchen table. Let's start. First, let's go get the materials. I will start with the lemons. I found a street stall here, they will sell them for cheap. Next up, I go to the art store and get some textile paint. And on my way back home, I pick up some shirts. I never thought I would get so excited to print lemon shirts. Alright, everything at my table, let's start. First you cut the lemon. You can cut it in half or quarter it, like I do here. I think that's more interesting. Try to remove the juice a bit, without destroying the texture. Prepare some paint. Lay down your shirt on the flat surface and put something like a cardboard or a paper inside of your shirt so the paint of the print won't push through all the way to the back. Okay, we prepared everything, let's start the printing. Okay, layer 1 is done. Now let the paint dry before adding layer 2. For the second layer we get another piece of lemon, but this time we remove the flesh, the inside. So for the black layer we will only print the outlines. Process is the same as the first layer. We copy this second layer onto the first layer. It doesn't come too precise. Now when that's done, let your print dry again and turn your shirt inside out and iron it so the paint will set. And that's how easy it is to make lemon printed shirts for your girlfriend or your boyfriend, with your kids or for yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you like, please subscribe.